Hey guys, welcome back to another video with InfoSec Pat. In this video, I just want to give you guys a breakdown of what this playlist was going to be about, the Windows Server 2022 playlist. It may be very similar to the 2019 one, yes, but I'm going to be throwing in some twists, like for example, troubleshooting. At some point, once we have the infrastructure set up, I'm going to go ahead and probably break things or make things not work on a client machine. And you, as an administrator, we're going to put maybe a ticketing system in, have to find something that's a free ticketing system that we can put on our environment. And say, for example, Bob or Patrick or whoever's the users that we have in our infrastructure can't log into their account, or, too many login attempts and they got locked out, just like how you would do as a help desk or a sysadmin, right? Maybe password reset. Maybe you have to learn how to rename a computer, whatever the case may be, whatever those tickets are about, maybe printers offline or whatever, you know, is on my mind that day. So I just want to give you guys, just a little breakdown of what we're going to be doing in the next. I think I'll probably have like between 30 and 40 videos in this playlist. And, we're just having some fun, right? We're just going to have some fun, learn a few things. And, yes, 2022 is very similar to 2019. We're going to start off installing it, creating a domain controller, installing a few clients, join those clients to the domain, and just going down the list, creating group policies, mapping drives, uh, whatever, creating DNS names, whatever the like a day-to-day system admin or a help desk or whatever wants to do or they need to do, right? So I just wanted to break that down. It's not going to be some crazy connecting to Azure. This is pretty much for entry-level folks that are just trying to learn and install Windows Server 2022, get their hands dirty with it, and just have fun with it, right? And I want to try to do it, I'm doing it with VirtualBox because I had some comments like in the 2019 version that I was doing that on my other desktop, the one right behind me over there, um, that had like 200 gigs of RAM or 128 gigs of RAM at that time, and I was going crazy like with Hyper-V and 32 gigs of RAM, and people were like, I can't do that. So with this is going to be more focused on like having the understanding that okay, maybe your desktop or your laptop maybe has max 32 gigs, so maybe we can only have like a member server and a DC, or maybe max two domain controllers and a file server, or whatever the case may be. I'm not going to probably go as crazy, you know like I did in the 2019 version, because that one, like if you have to understand Hyper-V, if you want to learn how to do more sort of like the mini advanced stuff, go watch those videos, right? This is strictly going to be more focused for like entry level folks that just want to understand Windows Server, some Active Directory, some attributes, some command line stuff, some PowerShell, whatever the case may be. So this video is just like an intro of what to expect in this new 2022 playlist. So hopefully it has been informative for you folks. I wanted to make it short and sweet just to let you know what you guys are going to get. And if you have any questions, if you have any recommendations, something that you want to see, remember, just think about it as an entry level person that wants to learn this and that has limited resources, right? They don't have a server. They don't have, buku bucks to go build a crazy gaming rig that can support crazy things. There just is going to be two servers, maybe three, workstation, Windows 10 or Windows 11 machine connected to the domain, and just multiple users connecting to that through that machine, right? So it's going to be fun. I have about 14 videos already done, and I'll be uploading throughout the next couple of days. And I'm trying to, finish this up by the end of September. I believe today is Friday, September 9th. So hopefully by the last day of the month, the whole playlist is done. And like I said, if you guys have any ideas, any recommendations, leave them in the comments. Hit me up on Instagram or Twitter, my Discord, however you want to reach out. Like I want to make this, a little fun, a little different than the 2019 version. Because I already got some folks saying, oh, it's probably going to be similar to the 2019 playlist. And I just want to make that clear. Like, I want to install a ticketing system. I want to act like a user saying, hey, Mr. Admin, I can't log in, you know, to troubleshoot and to create tickets and how to close out tickets, what to expect in maybe an MSP or a help desk position in a inside of a organization, because tickets are fun for some folks and they're annoying for others. To be honest, me, I hate tickets. Maybe because I hate documentation, but because when you get a ticket, you have to document what you did, what the resolution is. I always keep it sweet and simple, like, oh, let's add these people to a distribution group in Office 365. Literally, in my ticket, this is no joke. What I used to do is like, users added, thanks, and I didn't that would be my closing ticket. But that's just me, right? Like if you're more detailed, like okay, I added Bob, I added Pat, I added Jim, whoever, and they were tested. Look, here's a screenshot of them added to this distro or this group in Azure or in Office 365 or in Active Directory or whatever, you know. But yeah, we're gonna be going learning how many minutes? It's been 6 minutes already. Permissions, NTFS permissions, shares, just like the basic day-to-day stuff that help desk and junior admins will deal with, right? So I want to try to keep it short and sweet. Like I said, I want to cut it off here. Thank you so much for checking out all the videos. And if you find my stuff informative, dude, like hit the thumbs up, subscribe. Like I have a few people that joined, and I thank you so much for those memberships. It really means a lot. Thank you so much for the support. And making these videos are super fun, and I'm glad I could reach so many people that I helped over the last couple of years that I've been doing this, and many more years to come. And I love it. So thank you, and have a beautiful day.